Well, now is my favorite time, the test drive. So you can see I got one of my little sacrificial phones set up here with the speedometer. I got a nice big neighborhood out here that I can ride around in. So we're going to give this a try. First thing we're going to do is go for a top speed run. It has enough power to get going by itself. I was actually quite surprised at how good that actually is. I'm at 6 miles an hour right now. I'm barely on the throttle. All right, let's give it the beans. Looks like it's topping out of just under 15 miles an hour. So I guess that's what we got. All in all, not a bad bike.